The Forex market is a constantly changing one, and it is only natural that Brazil Forex brokers would want to stay up to date with the industry. With clients constantly wanting updated information, Forex brokers need to stay on the cutting edge of technology in order to give their clients what they want. Forex trading in Brazil is a competitive market with many players. Many of the Forex brokers offer a variety of different trading and investment opportunities. You can trade and invest in stocks, commodities, indices, and currencies with some Brazil Forex trading brokers. However, you need the best Forex brokers in Brazil to access all these markets. This article will guide you to pick the best one from many Brazilian Forex brokers, and also provide a list of the best brokers. You can trade Forex in Brazil. However, it is not as straightforward as in other countries. There are some important considerations you should take into account before trading Forex in this country. First, note that the Brazilian currency, the real, is not freely convertible to other currencies. This means that you will likely have to convert your money into Brazilian reais before trading. Second, fees are high in Brazil. Unless you are using a broker with a low trading fee, you may end up spending a significant amount of money on Forex trading in Brazil. Third, foreign exchange market is volatile in Brazil. This means that currency fluctuations can be dramatic and unexpected. Trade cautiously if you decide to start trading Forex in Brazil. Despite these considerations, trading Forex in Brazil can be a profitable investment opportunity. If you are willing to take the time to learn all you need to know about Forex trading in this country, it is definitely worth a try. Forex trading has been legalized in Brazil since 2013. However, there are no specific laws regulating Forex trading, but there are some general rules that traders should be aware of. Forex trading is considered a financial instrument, and as such is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Brazil. Before trading Forex in Brazil, traders should be sure to research the regulations and rules surrounding the Forex market. It has a number of regulations affecting Forex traders. These include: Forex trading in Brazil must be conducted through a regulated online broker. Foreign currency transactions can be conducted using Brazilian currencies, or through an entity that is duly authorized by Brazil to conduct these transactions. There are several government authorities that are responsible for regulating Forex trading in Brazil. Initially, the Securities and Exchange Commission of Brazil, CNV, regulates Forex brokers in Brazil. Additionally, some regulated Forex brokers in Brazil may have their own internal regulatory body in place. In addition to that, the Central Bank of Brazil also oversees the regulated Forex brokers in Brazil if needed. When it comes to Forex brokers, the government agencies in Brazil typically have two main concerns: the safety and security of consumers, and the regulation of unfair business practices. They will generally take action to address any issues that they find with Forex brokers, including suspending or terminating their operation in the country. When you start trading Forex in Brazil, you will quickly realize that there are many brokers to choose from. This can make it difficult to find the best Forex brokers in Brazil for you. The following tips will help you choose the best Forex broker for your needs. First, you need to decide what you are looking for in a broker. Some things to consider include the type of account you want, the minimum deposit funds, the currencies offered, the spreads and commissions, and the customer service. Next, you need to research the different brokers. Check out online reviews and compare the different brokers. Be sure to ask questions before you open an account. A great Forex online broker in Brazil should also be able to supply the customer with a large array of trading tools. For example, these can include currency calculators, market reports, and online quizzes. In order to choose a broker that suits your needs, it is important to look out for useful tools such as graphs and indicators. Some brokers offer demo accounts too, which can give beginners some experience before investing their own money on these platforms. This option might come in handy for those who are not very familiar with markets or trading yet. One should also look for a platform that offers advanced trading modules such as point and figure charts as well as options trading. trading platforms should also be user-friendly and provide an intuitive design that is easy to navigate. This is important since the design of a platform will determine how comfortable a user feels when trading. Also, a good Brazil Forex broker should be able to give the trader tools and strategies that can help them avoid losing their money. Besides trading conditions, the best Forex brokers in Brazil should have great customer service that is reliable, accurate, and efficient. The more features a broker offers, the better will be its reputation and credibility in the market. A good Brazil Forex broker should also have good customer service that is available around the clock. This can truly be beneficial in case of an emergency. One should consider the number of currency pairs that the best Forex brokers in Brazil offer. As with spreads, there are many different Forex brokers that offer only a few currencies such as Brazilian real, US dollar, and euro. In contrast, others such as FP markets offer a large selection of other foreign currencies. A Forex broker's website should also have educational information regarding trading strategies as well as news reports on recent trends. This can be particularly helpful because it provides a guide on what to expect from currency exchange markets in the future. Forex trading is a popular way to invest money in Brazil and can be a very profitable endeavor. When trading Forex in Brazil, it is important to find the best Forex brokers in Brazil that you can trust and that offer a platform and tools that fit your trading style. In Brazil, there are a number of good Forex brokers to choose from. In this article, we have highlighted the Forex brokers list in Brazil and looked at what sets them apart. All of the brokers featured in this article are regulated and offer a wide range of features, including platforms, tools, and customer support. They also offer competitive spreads and commissions, making them a good choice for Brazilian traders. So, which broker do you want to go for? Pick any of those brokers without any hesitations.